Let's answer the question, why does vitamin D actually help someone with hypertension? And by the way, anything that they say is not meant to replace your medical care. Don't stop taking your drugs unless you check with your doctor. But if you are on medication and you're not taking vitamin D, then you might want to consider taking it, especially after what I'm going to tell you. There is a tremendous amount of research, which I'll put down below, on this one topic. One of the most commonly prescribed drugs for hypertension is an ACE inhibitor. Now, I just released a video on the ACE receptor as it relates to COVID-19. You should check that out if you haven't seen it. Hypertension is one of the top risk factors for having complications from COVID-19. And out of all the people that are taking medication for hypertension, 48% of them are taking ACE inhibitors as the first medication to help them lower the pressure. All right, what does ACE stand for? Angiotensin-converting enzyme. So this drug inhibits this enzyme, and this enzyme relates to an entire system in your body, which is called renin-angiotensin system, RAS. I don't want to explain anything else other than this system helps regulate blood pressure, fluid balance, electrolyte balance. So that's all you need to know. The next thing to know is this. Vitamin D lowers this system. Tons and tons of research, okay? Now, my thought is that, and this is just my theory, that the reason why this is high in the first place is the person has a vitamin D deficiency. Now, why do I say that? Because 75% of the population has some level of deficiency with vitamin D. So this is something you definitely want to research yourself and bring up to your doctor if you're on medication. This is what I would recommend. 10,000 international units to 20,000 international units of vitamin D3 with vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 works with vitamin D. This alone will help to slow down the calcium buildup in the arteries. So this is very, very good as well. But if you're going to take this amount here, take 100 micrograms. If you're going to take this amount, take 200 micrograms of K2. Okay? Now, if someone tells you that that much vitamin D is toxic or it's going to create a problem, just have them show you evidence of that. There's actually no evidence of that whatsoever. I mean, if they tell you it's going to create high calcium in the blood, it's called hypercalcemia, just have them show you a reference. They won't be able to find it. The only reference on that shows that if you're taking like over 100,000 international units of vitamin D for a long period of time, potentially it could create kidney stones. But if you're taking this amount, I've never seen anything negative about that. All right, if you were also to add some potassium to this, I think you would even be more successful. And I'm talking 1,000 milligrams a day, because a potassium deficiency will cause high blood pressure as well. In fact, it will cause the arteries to stiffen if you're deficient in potassium. And you can get a lot of potassium if you also consume a larger amount of greens, like salad or vegetables. So anyway, I just wanted to bring this up. If you weren't aware of vitamin D in relationship to blood pressure, you definitely need to know about it because it's such an inexpensive solution to a very common problem.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grain, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering on keto.
Absolutely not.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself.
It's so easy to be keto.
Is it super easy?
It's super easy. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.